T-Mobile's Wi-Fi mesh system uses a primary gateway, such as the Arcadian KVD21 or Nokia FastMile, along with extenders to provide whole home Wi-Fi coverage. The T-Mobile app version 7.0 or higher is central to the setup process. After activating the gateway through the app, you can add extenders by scanning QR codes or entering their serial numbers. The app offers step-by-step guidance for optimal placement, security features like WPA3 encryption, and parental controls. This setup eliminates dead zones by expanding your internet range, but be careful not to place nodes too far apart to ensure proper connectivity. Backhaul is the high-speed connection between the extenders and the gateway. T-Mobile supports wireless backhaul using a dedicated 5 GHz band and wired backhaul through Ethernet connections. Wireless backhaul automatically selects the best channel to avoid congestion. For optimal performance, place nodes within 100 to 200 feet. The system adheres to Wi-Fi Alliance's Easy Mesh for self-configuration. In areas with high interference, using wired Ethernet backhaul can significantly improve stability. The app helps diagnose backhaul strength and troubleshoot connection issues. If you live in an apartment, it is recommended to use a wired connection due to interference from other devices.